everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. If you are new here, you can find a lot of LED products video show in my channel and how to communicate with your Chinese LED supplier, get support from them, get best price, best delivery time or best service from them to grow your business. So subscribe me. You can discuss with me about LED and how to communicate with your supplier. In today's video, I would like to make a comparison for flick-free driver and a flickering driver. This is our 20 voltage LED track light driver inside this housing close to LED chips. This model is flick-free driver. I will show you the light spot later. Make a comparison with this flickering driver. This track light is flickering driver separately with LED chips, had a driver box. So let's study to see what's difference with flick-free driver and the flickering driver. Look at this light spot. It's flickering driver. We also can produce flick-free driver. You can make a comparison. This is our flick-free model. You can make a comparison with before flickering model.